guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. For today's video, I'm wearing the same outfit as I am in my last video because I'm unoriginal and I like to pre-film things, and when I sit down to film, I like to just like film a lot and not just film one thing because then I feel less productive, and you know, like, it's fine. So yeah, I'm wearing the same outfit. I could have changed, but like, no. So for today's video, we're going to be reacting to the first 101 member to go solo, and that is Yoon Jisung's In the Rain. Honestly, I don't know how to feel about it right now. I'm very like mixed emotions right now. I want the best for him and only the best for him, but yeah, I'm going to give you my honest opinions. Obviously, I have loved and supported every single one of 101's members for a year and a half of their career. That's how long I was a stan, and yeah, I don't want to go into this thinking, oh, I love 101, I'm gonna love this, because I don't know. Everything is different. Everything is their own. You know, maybe he has a different style than I like. You know, I want to give it my honest reaction, if that makes sense. I'm not gonna be biased in any way. So yeah, let's listen to this. I hope it snatches me though, because like I'm in the mood to be snatched. Do they? They got me all excited with the subtitles. There's no subtitles. Okay. I think it's a slow song. That always scares me. Snatch me, please. Come on. Come on, boy. Snatch. Oh, he's handsome.
여기서 이렇게 기다리면 그대는 돌아올까요? 붙잡고 싶지만 난 다 알고 있는걸요. 이게 마지막, 이게 우리 마지막. 너는 나를 보며 그렇게 한참을 소리내 울었네. 다른 사람들은 이럴 때 어떤 말을 하며 널 붙잡을까. 미안해, 돌아와. 내가 정말 잘할게. 전할 수 없는 말을 삼키며 그저 너를 바라보다. 차가운 빗소리 때문인 줄로만 알았죠. 왠지 슬퍼 보이는 그대의 얼굴을 더 마주볼 걸 그랬죠. 기억할 걸 그랬죠. 돌아서는 뒷모습을 볼 때서야 알았죠. 왠지 슬퍼 보이던 그대의 얼굴은 I'm sorry. 이 빗소리에 묻혀 들리지 않았죠.
These visuals!
Feel like I lost. 이 비에 젖어가는데 다시 돌아올까봐 한 걸음도 못 돼. 멍하니 뒷모습만. 언젠가 우리 다시 만나면 그땐 다 말해줄게. 얼마나 그리웠는지, 얼마나
I'm
기다렸는지.
snatched, guys.
차가운 빗소리 때문인 줄로만 알았죠. 왠지 슬퍼 보이는 그대의 얼굴을 더 마주볼 걸 그랬죠. 기억할 걸 그랬죠. 돌아서는 뒷모습을 볼 때서야 알았죠. 왠지 슬퍼 보이던 그대의 얼굴은 I'm sorry. 이 빗소리에 묻혀 들리지 않았죠. 내가 사랑하는 사람들은 왜 날 사랑하지 않는 걸까요? 왜 날 사랑하지 않는 걸까요? 차가운 빗소리 때문인 줄로만 알았죠. 왠지 슬퍼 보이는 그대의 얼굴을 더 마주볼 걸 그랬죠. 기억할 걸 그랬죠. 돌아서는 뒷모습을 볼 때서야 알았죠. 왠지 슬퍼 되게 많지만 이게 우리 마지막
What? Guys. I'm so snatched. He looks so good. I was so worried about this because I was so worried that when they were going to start to go solo that I wouldn't like the music, and that I want to support as much as I can, but I can't support something if I don't personally enjoy it, and that's just me. I mean, I would always give him my full support, you know, and if he's gonna do it, he wants to do, like, that's awesome, and I will fully back that, but I won't stream if I don't like the song, you know what I mean? But that was beautiful. Oh my god, I'm snatched. Like, he looks so good. Have I mentioned that he looked so good? Oh my god, guys, what is happening? He looks so good. Not that he, like, has ever looked bad, because, like, but, like, he just looked so, like, I don't know, I feel like in a lot of 101's videos, he looked, he just looked really mature to me. I know he's the oldest, and but he looked really, really mature to me. He looked like a grown-ass man. Like, get you a man! Wow! I'm so shook, guys. I was honestly going into this thinking that I wouldn't like it, just because, again, I'm nervous for when they go solo, because I want them all to be together, but, like, wow, that was really, really good. I'm actually so excited now to listen to Sungwoon's song and mini album that he's going to be dropping Friday, I believe. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like today's video, don't forget to subscribe, join the fam, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. No, but honestly, snatched.